Hello everyone, Namaste, Sat Shri Akal. I hope you people are doing well. I'm going to start with one cue card today. You people also heard about so many newses nowadays which are happening day by day. So guys, in this test, maybe you are going to get one cue card. Sometimes examiners just go with the cue cards which are of recent updates. Examiners कई बार वही क्यू कार्ड लेता है जो अभी अभी हुए होते हैं. Recently something happened, the examiner is going to ask that thing. Okay, so here today I am going to cover some few cue cards. Like you can say, talk about an incident when you were the witness. Otherwise the examiner can ask you talk about a time when you heard a bad news. Otherwise a news which you heard recently, that can be the cue card. Another cue card can be like this: tell me something about the person who just met with any kind of accident. Okay, another cue card like can be this: talk about a person with whom you had gone somewhere and met with some kind of mishappening. So such kind of question can be asked by the, you can say, examiner. So this cue card is going to cover all these. You can say there are so many incidents which happened in a day-to-day life. I usually get through all the newses in my life. I heard the newses through social media, from different websites, from different, you can say, social media platforms. Suddenly I heard a news about Palgram. It's about the incident attack happened over there. It's a Kashmir area. I heard it and I found it very bad. I think this was the biggest, I can say, failure of a country. I heard that the people were saying they just got killed only because they had belonged to the Hindu, you can say, religion. So I felt this thing very bad. It was the worst news which I heard in my life. I went through all the videos. I just saw that newly wedding couple, they went over there and they had just went through, and they had just trapped in this situation. Some, I can say, people got died around 30. I saw these kind of videos were very bad. I just saw a girl, she was just crying because her husband got died. And I heard about a child, he just missed his father who got died and got shooted by a person who was a terrorist. So it was, I can say, the worst news which I've heard. And it was only, they said, because of religion they had done this activity. I think such kind of newses, these totally just hurt us a lot, and there should be some kind of action which should be taken by government to stop these kind of things. They must hang the terrorists till their death, and they must go through such kind of activities so that the thing can be stopped. There must be proper, I can say, checking of people so that these they should not get any kind of area to attack. So this was the worst news which I heard in my life. And I would also say this thing that I didn't sleep for 2 nights because of this. I was in shock. I was totally in tension. I got afraid. I went to Jammu Kashmir few years back. I just went over there, and when I had gone there somewhere, I was afraid at that time. But I didn't expect such kind of incident would happen in future, but this happened now. I pray to God, those had lost their loved ones, they must be have courage to bear this sadness in their life. I can say that this was the incident which was totally, I can say, heartbreaking for every Indian and for, I can say, every person of this world. No doubt government is taking some steps. I hope something will happen, for the betterment in the future. And I think there should be some kind of strict rules. There should be some kind of strict actions for these kind of people. These incidents are nowadays increasing day by day. I can say when from 2025 I am just going these kind of more incidents, that accidents are happening more and many things are happening. So I just pray to God to bless us, and just everybody to have, I have a one message for everybody also: they must have some kind of equipments for safety of them, especially girls. They must have something to make themselves safe from other people. So I can say this was the incident which I heard. So in this way, guys, you people can just cover this cue card. Otherwise you can just go with any another incident also. I just went through this cue card because recently it's going to come in your exam. Mostly the recent topics and updation of the things are you usually get in your exam. So I just went with this cue card. So you people come to know how to go with cue card, how to cover the steps. Otherwise you can also add other things. Well, there are so many incidents which happen in my country. Suddenly, just one thing which I heard in my life was the worst one, which I heard is attack which had done by the terrorists on the Pahalgam, which is a small, I think, a small area of Kashmir. I heard that many people got died over there. The terrorists shooted around 30 people. I heard it by news, by social media. I usually suffer social media. When I heard this, it was just heartbreaking news. I was very sad. I didn't get good sleep for 2 days, and I was like this. I got afraid, and I was like this, that this thing must not happen with anybody. Only because the whole incident was based on religion. They just asking about the religion of the person and just shooting them. I heard that the news channels are saying the person was asking about, are you Hindu? Then the person said yes, then they shooted that person. So it was very shocking and very, I can say, totally out of my thought. This such kind of incidents can happen in a country. I totally find every Indian of this country find this incident very bad and very, I can say, heartbreaking. And when I heard this news, I also just got sad for 2 3 days, and I was not able to do anything, and I was just shutting down and sitting and thinking all the things are, when I was sleeping on the bed, everything was coming and so I covered this cue card in two ways. I hope you people like. I just take out some points and just try to help you people to go with cue card. And don't forget to like, subscribe, guys. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.